OnePlus has finally launched the successor of the last year launched OnePlus 13 smartphone in China as OnePlus 15. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus 15 features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution LTPO AMOLED display with up to 165 Hz ultra-high refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is protected by unspecified Gorilla Glass on the top, and it includes Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8E Lite Gen 5 chipset, paired with Adreno 840 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the OnePlus 15 featured triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 50-megapixel telephoto lens, with 3.5x optical zoom support, and there is another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 116-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture, and it can record 4K video at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 7,300 mAh battery, with 120 watts wired flash charging support, and 50 watts wireless flash charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16 out of the box, with Color OS 16 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.42 by 76.67 by 8.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 211 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The OnePlus 15 has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Infinite Black, Mist Purple, and Sandstorm color options. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus 15 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.